Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learnerz. In this video, we'll be learning how to add videos to a website. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So, without wasting time, let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
So let us start our videos. So I'll just open my Visual Studio Code, and my Visual Studio Code has been opened, as you can see here. So I select the folder I want, that is Web Development Course for Kids folder, and I will make a new file called videos.html, and I will put the boilerplate, and I will start my live server too, and my live server has been started, as you can see here. So first I'll zoom my page. To zoom your page, just use Control and use your scroll, and I'll toggle the word wrap too. To toggle the word wrap, just go to settings or right click and go to command palette and toggle the word wrap, and I will give a title called videos, and I'll save it. So I will make a h1 tag with class. This is videos tutorial. Oh, I think I'll make a h1 tag. Then I will give a ID vid, because this is a video. If we name as this is a video tutorial, then it will be a long name. So I'll give a ID with video, and I will write here this is video tutorial, and I will save it. And as you can see here, it's written this is video tutorial. So I'll just go to my style tag and style a bit #video #video. So first I'll give text align center, then I will give color. First I'll give background color to it. I'll give blue violet, and I'll use the color picker. I think this much is enough. Then I'll give color black itself. Then I'll give some width to it. Width of I'll give 100 pixel, and I will just expect it. Then I'll give border of 3 pixel solid. So I used to something, I think red violet. I'll use violet here. I'll use that color only. I think this color is nice as a border. As you can see here, I'll just right click, inspect, I think 239 pixel is enough. I'll copy it, and I will paste it here, and I'll save it, and I'll give some margin to it. Margin 0 pixel auto, and I'll save it. I think now it will come to center. Yeah, it came to center, as you can see. So let us start putting our videos. So I will to start a video, to put a video in your website, you should use video tag. If you want to give height and width, you can also give that. For that you should write height. If I want 200 pixel as height, and I want width as 300 pixel, so you can make that too. I didn't use any video yet, so I'll just go to my file explorer, then so I'll select this video, trailer video, in my VS Code. So I'll just copy it. Just use Ctrl C to copy. Then I will go to my web development course for kids. As you can see, my cursor is highlighted. This is web development course for kids folder, and I'll make a new folder inside this called videos, and I will just paste that video here, trailer video, as you can see here. So I will open my VS Code and I will target this videos, and I will give trailer mp4. So this is, instead of doing that, you can just give another tag inside the video tag called the source tag. To write a source tag, you should just use source and click enter. So I will write source, then you should write here source, then you should use src. So instead of that, you can just use source colon src. So you'll get that. I will make src as videos trailer.mp4, and here you should use the type of that video. So this video type is mp4, so you should use here, you should write video hash slash mp4, as this is a mp4 video, and I'll save it. I think this will work. Oh yeah, as you can see that here it worked. So I forgot to put something here. I forgot to use controls. You should use controls here to make that video work. So I should just remove this. As you can see here, it's working. So you can listen to the sound. Yeah, it's working, as you can see here. As you can see, you can also increase the volumes. See here, you'll be listening. Now this volume is disabled. Now the volume is full. So this is about video tags. If you want to put a video from YouTube, you can also do that. For that, you should use another tag. That is, as you can see, that you can also use picture in picture mode. I will go to my original size. Now I am in original size, so you can just click these three dots and use picture in picture mode. Now you will be getting picture in picture mode. As you can see here, I'll just cancel it. Then you can also download this, and you can increase the volume. You can go to full size, and when you click escape, it will just minimize the window again. As you can see, so we have made a small video here. And if you want, see, when I click this button, then only the video starts. If you want the video should be autoplayed, then you can use autoplayed. Means nothing, just sit there and see, then it will be working on itself. For that, just I make autoplay. I'll just refresh it. As you can see that it is autoplayed. I didn't click the start button too. There is no options. There is no start button options when I hover on it. So this is about autoplay. I'll just make it controls, or else it will be moving on non-stop. Yeah, now it stopped. As you can see here, now it says control. Let us add more videos. I will go to my this one, Lab_Schools for Kids, YouTube. I copied my intro and I'll paste it here, my intro. As you can see, intro 2. And I will just copy it. And I will be pasting here. Control V. Where is the source? Yeah, videos. Trailer. Instead of trailer, I'll make intro 2 MP4. Now there will be 2, as you can see here. This is my intro. So this is about videos. Let us try if we can just modify it using CSS. Let us try. Oh, I'm not getting ID. Yeah, now I got ID. I'll give us video 1, and I will target it. Video 1. Let me first give some margin to it. Let us try with margin top. Right, I think this much pixel is enough. Let us see it will work. Oh, where is that? I think it is working. Yes, we can style our videos. Let us try with stuff margin top, background border, background color, and let me give #FFF. Oh, why I'm going to floats.html. I'll give black bottom, not I'll give black and save it. Oh, I'll save it. Let us try. Oh, I think it's not working because no background for it. Let us try with border. 100 pixel solid black. 100 pixels, very big. Yeah, it worked. We can use background for it. As you can see, background is working. I turned on both the videos. As you can see, my cursor is highlighted. I just modified my cursor so that you can understand more easily. I right click and expand. So if you want to see some source code, you just right click and click source code. As you can see that now there's a source code. You just skip a bit of script because we didn't know that script is used in JavaScript. So we wrote only up to here, as you can see. So this video is something special, as you can see. So this is about videos. We'll be learning how to add audio and video from YouTube in upcoming videos. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Tech Learnerz, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye. Oh sorry, instead of intro I should use outro. Bye bye.